Introducing Sundaram Eclass, a purpose-built digital learning system designed to modernize classrooms and scale quality education. At its core, eClass is built on a simple belief: education should be engaging, accessible, and effective for every student. eClass is a digital learning platform for schools, transforming traditional lessons into structured, visual learning experiences. Curriculum-mapped chapter videos, mind maps, Q&A explainers, assessments, and digital textbooks allow students to learn at their own pace, revisit concepts, and build lasting understanding. This flexibility leads to stronger confidence and measurable academic outcomes. eClass also functions as a fully monitored learning ecosystem. Teachers, administrators, and school management can track usage, student engagement, and learning progress through detailed reports. Content can be scheduled, restricted, or customized class-wise, ensuring controlled and effective implementation. What truly differentiates eClass is its 100% offline capability. Schools can deliver uninterrupted digital education without reliance on internet connectivity. A digital classroom powered by eClass upgrades existing classrooms using integrated hardware, software, and content without requiring heavy capital investment. Sundaram delivers a complete end-to-end solution, including installation, teacher training, regular maintenance, and ongoing support. Today, eClass has been successfully deployed in over 5,000 classrooms across more than 2,000 schools in Maharashtra. The platform supports classes 1 to 10 across English, Marathi, Hindi, and Urdu mediums. eClass enhances learning, empowers teachers, and modernizes classrooms. Sundaram Eclass, powering digital education since 2010.